signing with Penpot for free? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a Penpot account in 2026. We'll go through every step, from opening the website to signing in for the first time, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Penpot, or go directly to the official Penpot website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, usually located near the top right corner. Click the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. You may see different registration options, depending on the latest version of the website. You can usually sign up with your email address or use a supported account like Google or GitHub. If you're registering with your email address, enter your name, your email, and create a strong password. You know, it's a good idea to choose a password that's unique, secure, and easy for you to remember. Next, review the terms of service and privacy policy if you want, then check the required agreement box before continuing. After that, click the Create Account button to move to the next step. If Penpot asks you to verify your email address, open your inbox and look for the verification email. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Then open the message and click the verification link. Once your email has been verified, head back to the Penpot website and sign in using your new account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Penpot workspace, where you can start creating projects, collaborating with others, and exploring the available features. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully created your Penpot account in 2026. I mean, the whole process only takes a few minutes. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.